Photoelectric smoke detectors. Photoelectric smoke detectors play a crucial role in enhancing home safety by effectively detecting fires that begin slowly and produce smoke before flames become visible. This document explores the functionality, advantages, and maintenance of photoelectric smoke detectors, emphasizing their importance in fire prevention and safety. A closer look at photoelectric smoke detectors. Photoelectric smoke detectors are a vital component of home safety systems. They are specifically designed to detect fires that start slowly and smolder, often releasing smoke before flames appear. How they work? A simple explanation. Photoelectric smoke detectors utilize a light source and a sensor. The light source emits a beam of light into a sensing chamber. When smoke particles enter the chamber, they scatter the light, and a portion of it reaches the sensor. This increased light level triggers the alarm. The science behind detection. The scattering of light by smoke particles is a fundamental principle in physics. The intensity of the scattered light is directly proportional to the concentration of smoke particles in the chamber. This allows the detector to accurately sense even low levels of smoke. Advantages of photoelectric detectors. Photoelectric detectors offer several advantages. Sensitivity to smoldering fires. They are highly effective at detecting slow-burning fires that may not produce immediate flames. Reduced false alarms. They are less likely to trigger false alarms from cooking smoke or steam. Durability. They are typically more durable than ionization detectors and can withstand harsh environmental conditions. Ideal applications for photoelectric detectors. Photoelectric detectors are particularly well suited for bedrooms, where fires often start slowly and smolder; living rooms, where candles, fireplaces, or other potential fire hazards are present; basements, where fires can smolder for extended periods. Maintenance tips for optimal performance. To ensure the reliable operation of your photoelectric smoke detectors, follow these maintenance tips. Monthly testing. Press the test button on each detector to verify its functionality. Battery replacement. Replace batteries at least once a year, or as recommended by the manufacturer. Cleaning. Dust and clean the detectors regularly to prevent false alarms and ensure optimal performance. Replacement. Replace detectors every 10 years or as recommended by the manufacturer. Combining technologies for enhanced protection. For maximum protection, consider using a combination of ionization and photoelectric detectors in your home. Ionization detectors are more sensitive to fast-burning fires, while photoelectric detectors excel at detecting smoldering fires. Professional installation for peace of mind. While many people can install smoke detectors themselves, professional installation can ensure that the detectors are properly wired, placed, and maintained. This can provide peace of mind and help protect your home and family. The power of prevention, a lifelong commitment. By understanding the technology behind photoelectric smoke detectors and following best practices for installation and maintenance, you can significantly reduce the risk of fire-related injuries and fatalities. Remember, a working smoke detector is your first line of defense against fire.